In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a mobile-friendly burger menu navigation bar in Webflow. Let's get started. Open your Webflow project and add a Navbar element from the Add Elements panel if you don't already have one. Replace the default brand with your own logo or site name. Then edit the navigation links to match your website. Switch to the tablet or mobile breakpoint to preview the responsive layout. Webflow automatically converts the navigation into a burger menu on smaller screens. Click the menu button to customize its appearance and adjust the nav menu styling, spacing and animations so it opens and closes the way you want. Preview your website on desktop and mobile to make sure the navigation works smoothly, then publish your website. That's how to make a mobile-friendly burger menu navigation bar in Webflow. Thanks for watching.